Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Vivek Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills District Layatho bakatanat pulet ha ka khatlai tarik ukala lingkod arja apun Briew kala kemno ya way upulet home guard hadien ba kawai kadur ki kabla sapriang ha kirensan social media kabla penpau baula Dawa Pisa bian bat penting ye kinong let nongwan Habagran chikla pathai ko bor uba Vivek Layatho baka jing toket kelas dang hadien balai I kadur ki kabla upload dawkaran gola XP ha YouTube ha ketika kadur ki la keno ba upulet ula Byrngem ba Dawa Pisa na Kitei Briew hado khatsan haja tingka ulaong katkom kajing toket menta kasni uba Vivek ulaong ba lalab ba uni ubri udi bratip kateng komuregan kharlor balayu sansnem Jakarta ude home guard volunteer uba trailang bat kamadan ting traffic branch ula pentep ro ba gane kajingja kade kablaja menha ka arpun rutre uno pra arja apusan hakapor kumba khandai lai pusan min step hakithan saulat madan ting shillong shushu uba Vivek ulaong ba kali Maruti 800 kabadan registration number AS not IWF Iway South Briew not kalajan Tynrah ya u kadba udang dan ha ka clamping duty ha ka babitar uni u home guard ula buat ya ketika kali da ka bashim ya ka way ka skuti jong way nong let nong wan bad ula pansange ya ka kali hayo Happy Valley.
Video was uploaded on YouTube by one Karan Gwala XP by this name, and it was circulated on other social media platforms, wherein allegations of Shillong police was alleged to have threatened and extorting the occupants of a vehicle, and that a fine of 15,000 was taken from them. This video went viral yesterday, the 12th of January 2026, and following this video an inquiry was made and the following facts were ascertained. The individual was identified today as Reganson Kharlor, 35 years. He is a home guard volunteer posted at Maranting Traffic Branch, and on the 26th of December 2025 at about 9:35 a.m. he was on clamping duty in Maranting sector, and at that particular time he was near Saulat. The vehicle which these occupants were travelling in was a white Maruti 800 bearing registration number AS01F1460, and this was proceeding towards Happy Valley, and while driving past him it almost dashed him. This home guard volunteer then gave chase on foot and also took right from the scooty of a passerby and intercepted the vehicle at Happy Valley Bazaar. He got inside the Maruti 800, and thereafter all these abuses were hurled at the occupants. He had threatened them and initially had asked for 1 lakh, and after constant pleading by the occupants, the amount was actually had come down to rupees 15,000, and 2 of the occupants of the vehicle had gone to the ATM at Maranting Bazaar, and 15,000 was paid to him. This was not reported to the traffic branch, the in charge of Maranting Traffic Branch, nor to the staff of Maranting Traffic Branch, and this had only come to light when this video was circulated yesterday. Following this inquiry, a sumoto case has been taken up by Maranting PS 8126 under the sections of 308(5), which pertains to extortion, 351 for intimidation, and 352 for abusive language of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. And the home guard has been arrested today, and he has been removed from all duties in the district and shall be produced before court today. The victims have been contacted and they will be appearing before the police for recording of statement, and investigation will proceed to ensure that we charge sheet the case at the earliest.
Sa pilih bukan ni atau pikir kali jadi long bukan pilih bukan long bukan demand sa
भी ला कजिंगों जो ही वंग बा कनी कली कला जन यो Andre bahkan ada bakayo dia kemat udan ni kemenyi haki CCTV cameras footages ni udah ke handset ulah di pentip syaka branch bat kamdan kanu jimat saw akamet chu di kata ke baong ba kani ka Tynrah yu le sia kala ya state ne kala ajan day yu hande ban ong bakan Tynrah yu bu Dawa do silak ki kata kalau along bian baka pendong rem bro
Atu pingi kani berkom long rekoman cuma ni kalau penjak borom ya ke polis department ni bro boy.
yang kata ada jing shisha hi kalau kani tang da jing le jongwi Briew hi ka long kala tha dia ka police department dai hakan ka organization dan hi gini support hi kiba ngidi ban identify but ngidi ban vendor but STP kam dalong hi kam long hi da satya kam tahi ni we are committed to public service and ni long zero tolerance ya ka kanu ka kam bi
Hunga police babat ku berben kem itu nong drugs. Itu mengsutu long dewi nak kita. Hak tu pun layo.
Menshua hoy uni ula ladan bat ni mentala dan kumak laisna me bat ladan bentar kapan kem hi kali ba bat drugs hoy.
Hatu kan ke jingle cuma tu kali ke jingle ke ba ule maroi ni ka dan bat kiwi pada long kala bendan kipar lok bendan long bantmu bane sidi kam nawat mengsutu Briew tre ke bapa kam dan gini jing bentai jing yang ngop pada tu lah bendan ke grup dan parlok memang.
Em hakatu ka sni udan marwai but let's see bakin nanya state ru ne ki lajan rai u ne slot yu uladi ban pentip syaka branch but hakani ka bentar ru ki ladan hi ki officers but ki head constables pandi ban dan kuna mahdai uni pada naka duty pada ulashim kabu pada ban Dawa Pisa simat hi.
Atau ni bukan ini kalau di kedai kopi orang berpio nak CCTV tidak bos sempur pada ikut ban lap ikini kam bau ni pelit enggak dia.
Ambil ke CCTV kalau ni CCTV hadian bakal ada ke jingjia pada ngisap ngihap analyze kam dai bagi Briew pet CCTV brushes ni ding hap pet hei kerja nak pada hei ke CCTV balap ke jingjia tu Briew.
Dia open clip ni ke jing Dawa Pisa jumu ke ditang men ke si hujan Shah Tynrah kali ni kali berbuat.
Pi kani ka TikTok kadang dai tam tas ni kadang don ka inquiry ba ni la register case. Ang ni shpan ngin dang toket show laudon ti ha kibe Briew ki bala angat hakum kini ki apot hi ki di ban wan sakmat hi ban kawai ru ki Briew ki wan na hi ngakan tu kan pham ki ru ba ki di ban phone hi ka number 112 da ki don kenu anu ke gedung apa langkum kan hi pen samaran ya ka district police Byrngem police berapa hi
Kayak khabar jumpi nangis mat pada kini kiwei pada bentai badan online po duty badan khang bagni ko kunung jasus
kau ingin ngila instruction si ingin kabakin maintain kata discipline kin nang ban buram yakibai karkom kren yakibai ki kamtam jadi laki baklaru kadon kamban dan kata kerem kuban ka kren hiki dak akor ka baar pada kinyai bekum ka ahi kimle kanu dikile kanu kambi ahi timot kilangan iha kai ban nginum spare yano bang ne hi dak zero tolerance for corruption and extortion di ya kata ingin bat ya kata ban ingin persang bet ingin nangyay persang bet ba ka Medlai police bar ka East Coast police bar ka STP hi ngin ai kata ka jing shakri sopat ba ban ngin maintain kata ka discipline bar ka dekorum